Hello and welcome to this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you proof of the trades I took from um 8th May to 10th May. I didn't take trades on 6th and 7th of May because of some reasons. So this video is a summary of what really shows that I took those trades, because some people will be like, this guy is not true. You understand? So I will be sharing this video. Please don't mind my voice. I'll be sharing this video to show you the proofs of my trades. Okay, now let's go to history. You see, today the market has already closed for the week, so today there's no profit, of course. Then let me start from 6th of May to show you that I didn't trade. You can see no trade for the 6th of May. 7th of May as well, I didn't trade, as you can also see. Now, on the 8th of May, I deposited and traded. As you can see, I traded. Yes, this is a demo account, of course. The reason why I'm using this demo account, I'm not shy to say it or whatever. And I'm not here to prove to you that I am making a lot of money in forex trading or whatever. I don't care about that. Okay, all I care about is that my strategy works, it works well and works very well. You understand? So yes, I'm using demo account for those trades, but as well I place those trades on my real account. Okay, so the reason why I'm posting this is for you to know that I have a strategy, a working strategy, most especially for the news, the strategy I use for trading news. Okay, so if you want to find out more about those strategies, both the ones I use for trading news and the normal strategy I use, okay, then you can join my community below the description of this video, so that you can be able to tag along as I share some things in the community. Then if you also want to be part of my trading signal room, you can as well join with the link in the description below. All right, so it will be free for now. It will be free for now. Okay, so if you're interested, join the link in the description below and you can be getting my signals. Okay, so when I deposited $100, you can see that I made profit of $80.79 for Wednesday, which was what, 8th of May. Now let's see what happened on the 9th of May. On 9th of May, I made just $27.12. Okay, I made just $27.12. As you can see, the trade that day was crazy. I wasn't much focused, so but I still came out profitable. Then let's see what happened on the Friday when I brought out time to run the market. Okay, to run the market. Let's see. Wonderful, wonderful. So you can see I made profit of $158.94. All this was just starting with what, $100. You can see the trades that I took. You can see the trades that I took. If you want to see exactly how I took those trades, go back to my channel. You will see the trades for the May 8th, May 9th, and May 10th. That is the video. Those are the videos you need to watch to see exactly what happened. Okay, the way I was able to raise $100 to $353.84 in just what, 3 days. Okay, so for next week, Monday, That is 13th of May. From 13th of May, we also kickstart. All right, so I trade any pair I want. As you can see here, these are the pairs I trade: BTC USD, GBP USD, XAU USD, GBP AUD. So I trade both crypto pairs and forex pairs. So whichever one I feel like trading, those are the ones I trade. All right, so see you on May 13th.